Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about Klora and how I'm going to use it to help me to clean my digestion. So for a while, I've been searching for the best product that's going to essentially cure my bloating. I also wanted something that was going to help me with a regular bowel movement. So after I've been eating, I've been getting really bloated. It doesn't matter if I'm eating healthy or whatever. I'm so bloated and I am constipated. I've tried a lot of different things like apple juice and eating a lot of fibers and stuff, but I think I just needed an extra kick to help me. Let's talk about Klora and the type of Klora product that I got. I decided to go with their Bloat Digest, and it's for obvious reasons. I initially bought Klora because it's 100% vegan, meaning that there are no animal byproducts that are made in this product, and that means that no animals were harmed in the making. So that is right. Your fur babies will be so proud of you for using this as well. Their Bloat Digest specifically targets different aspects of digestion and the large variety of foods that you may consume for optimal digestion. Next to the support of a healthy digestion system, Klora has a lot of benefits that you can reap. The main one is preventing bloating, but it can also increase your energy, lower inflammation, and cause clear skin. Without Klora, I was dealing with a lot of different discomforts. It includes bloating, nausea, and even constipation. And after using Klora, I can literally enjoy my meal. I don't have any discomfort, and I have a regular bowel movement. So right now I'm going to show you guys a side-by-side comparison of how my stomach looks when I don't take Klora after eating, and how my stomach looks when I do take Klora's Bloat Digest after eating. So there's a huge difference. Alongside all the great ingredients and benefits that you get from this product, I also love how sleek the design of this bottle is, and how you can essentially take this anywhere, and it's so compact that it will not take up any space. I do need to say that you should be taking Klora's Bloat Digest after every meal and not before. And the best part about this product is that you could take this up to 4 times a day depending on how much you eat, depending on your needs. So if you need to pop one after you ate a meal and you know that you're about to go out and like you got on this tight dress or whatever, you don't want nobody to see your bloating stomach, you can take it up to 4 times a day. So that's a really good thing. And overall, I do highly recommend this product. I believe if you have any bloating or digestion problems like I did, that you should go and try Klora's Bloat Digest today, because it's just going to satisfy all your needs